Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
All right, we're back in the she shop. I'm already dirty. I've already finished another project. You've probably already seen that video. And I'm going to work on another one, and it's a doom pile project. It's been in here forever. I was going to do something with it. I didn't know what to do with it. Here today. We're going to do something. And actually, I'm stealing this idea from another picket fence gal. I'm going to show you what I got. So I've got two very cute vintage trays, but they are just in terrible condition. So this one is rusted. It's bubbled. This one is scratched and damaged. But they're still really cute. So I bought them because my thought was repaint them, give them a new life, put maybe a decoupage something to the bottom, put a layer of resin over the top, and then I was like, I got nothing. Like everything I thought to put in there just didn't do it for me. Margo! But here we are. And I was at Picket this last sale. One of the girls had taken a small version of these trays, and she had made like a magnet board just for display. I'm gonna make a magnet board, only a big one. This one. Because this one I feel like I could still possibly do a decoupage over. It is not rusted and bubbled like this one. And I really like the graphics that are still on this one. And I don't want to cover them. This one, this one, love. So this is going to become a magnet board for me. And this one's probably going to spend another day, live another day as something else, as a tray, but one that has, you know, resin on top, and it'll be pretty because now I have better papers. I'm not giving anything away, but I've got some stuff. But this one, I like the mid-century look. I like the black, I like the reds, I like the yellows. So we're going to use it, and we're going to make a magnet board similar to hers. I'm going to do something a little bit different because I think hers just had a wire on it. Anyway, also in my doom piles, I have lots of little stuff, little stuff. I think my husband's returned. Stuff like this. So this is going to be my anchor on the front of this tray to hold the wire for the back. It's the only way I could think of making it right. I also had these, which, okay, let me show you. Let me get you guys switched around so you can see what I'm looking at. So I had like 3 of these little triangle buttons, which they will just blend into that background. And then I had these little like plastic buttons that would stand out a little. And I'm trying to decide which ones I like. I think I like the triangle because it won't stand out. Unfortunately, the only wire I have that's heavy duty enough is green. So that leaves us in the unenviable position of a green wire holding it in place. But I think if I put these up the corners with the green wire holding it in, it won't really be that noticeable. Right? Possibly, maybe, hopefully. I don't know. I think we could get away with it. I think it would be less noticeable. I mean, obviously this is noticeable, but I was thinking like you would still see some of the image through it. But I think it is actually more of a distraction than the black. All right, we're going with black. All right, bet on black, y'all. Oh, I dropped one. All right. So, how are we going to do this? Single hole or double? I have an all. I'm going to go with single hole. To do it, I'm just going to take an awl and a hammer. Ooh, right through into my tabletop. I think I'm going to do this one. Here. All right, so now we got holes. And then buttons over the, I've got 3 buttons, I only need 2. Take these out. I only need 2. That other button will live to fight again another day. All right, let's get our wire out here. Oh, this is a spool of wire that my sister gave me. And it's a heavy gauge wire. So I want to use it because I have it, right? So I've got it. Let's use it. I am going to give myself let my brain work for a second. I'm going to give myself just a little extra here. And we can get rid of this. So I think what we need to do is up through one side, down through the other. Right? Thread that through there. Okay, we don't need this. Don't need that, don't need that, might need that. Keep that on hand right here. All right. And I'm going to put both pieces of the wire through the back. Oh, I feel like maybe we need a button back here too, don't we? Do we need a button back here? No, because the button will be on the other side. We just need to make sure that the wires are twisted together. All right, I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to work on tightening both sides down. Let's put this through the other side. And I'm going to pull this tight. I want this wire to be as tight as possible so that it hangs nice. There we go. And we're going to thread it through one side of the button and the other side of the button. Well, let's get it all the way through the one side of the button first. Okay, it's not thread, Stacy. I'm going to be nice and simple. I don't know where my sister got this wire, but she had it and she was getting rid of it. And she said, would you like it? And it's come in handy, let me tell you. Oh, she was wiring florals for a while. She was doing floral arrangements for a while. She made some beautiful floral arrangements. That's why it's green. Okay. Oh, I got too much. Way too much. I like to leave the bloopers in so y'all know, like, you could do it. If she could do it, I could do it. This woman don't know what the hell she's doing. So I should have named my channel. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I just looked at what she had and went, I think I could do that. Did I look at how it was done? Nah. No. But let's be honest, nobody was eating off this tray anyway. I mean, really, it was disgusting. All right, there we go. I'm gonna get the pliers here. Make sure that's tight. And I'm going to just wrap this one as much as I can. Perfect. I don't think the buttons were a good choice. These buttons were a good choice. It's not a difficult project. It wasn't a long project. Not every project has to be, right? But it's just a new use for this. Not new as far as repurposing this. Not new as in, I had a brand new idea. No, I'm not even taking credit for this one. Lori had this hanging in her booth at Picket Fence Gals, and I went, I have those trays that I haven't done, and I know I didn't want to paint this one. Like this one I love. I love this mid-century style, this look. These graphics just speak to me. I like them. The colors. I like the florals I can paint over. This I can't. Like this is my, oh no, don't paint over that moment. Most of the time I'm like, paint over it, make it more functional for you. This is one of the ones where I get to be a purist and go, oh. I mean, I'm not a purist in that I don't poke holes in it, but I didn't want to go over the graphics is what I'm saying here. So yeah, now it's a message board. I can put magnets on it and it'll be great. Do I have magnets in here? I don't think I do. Wait, I do. Hang on. Grab some magnets off the board. Now I'm going to write you guys a note so we can stick it on there. Hang on. Let's do it. Now you can see how functional it is as a message board. Happy chunking, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.